We're about to see a reveal and are at the start of something very important. You're in the right place right now if you own Tesla stock or are always interested in what the future holds for car technology. Thanks to the smart research of investing legend Cathie Wood, we can see what's really going on with Tesla's recent market swings. There is an exciting adventure about to start today that is just as exciting as Tesla cars. A famous investor named Cathie Wood talks about how she thinks Tesla could grow very quickly. It also goes into great detail about Tesla's groundbreaking technologies like the bulletproof Cybertruck, internal makeovers, the growth of the full self-driving beta, and improvements in solar and battery technology. We will also look at how these changes affect Tesla's market position and its ability to stay on top in the long run. We are going to look into the future as seen by one of the most forward-thinking companies and investors of our time. So sit back, click the subscribe button, and get ready to learn. We're not just going to talk about stocks and numbers today. But first, please show your support by giving Tesla Stock News a like and subscribing to its feed. Let's go. Tesla's recent success on Wall Street has gotten a lot of attention in the worlds of high-stakes finance and new technology. This has been the company's worst year to date. Investors and people who follow the market aren't sure if they should sell their Tesla stock quickly or hold on to it. Discover what Cathie Wood has to say about Tesla, a company that is changing the way businesses and customers talk to each other, just like Twitter. Tesla is proud of its AI skills, ability to ship cars all over the world, and large amount of private data. Tesla stockholders should be ready for a ride that is both exciting and rough. Tesla's stock price dropped to $219.99 in just 2 trading days after reporting its worst quarterly earnings per share in 2 years, a measly $0.66. This was 10% less than what was expected. This drop took an amazing $138 billion off of Tesla's market value, lowering it from $808 billion to $670 billion. Because of this, Elon Musk's wealth dropped by $3 billion, since he had a lot of Tesla shares invested. Even though things are going crazy, Cathie Wood has faith in Tesla. She remembers how Musk has done well in the past despite problems and hopes the same will happen this time. But what makes Cathie Wood sure of herself? Let's look into it. The Director of Institutional Strategies and Investment Analysis at ARK Invest is Tasha Keeney. Let's hear from her. Tesla is the fund's crown jewel, and it makes up about 10% of ARK's holdings. You ask, is this downturn doable? Tesla has been lowering prices and deliveries around the world have not lived up to promises. Tasha's point of view is interesting, especially in light of the upcoming Cybertruck and Tesla's progress in keeping costs down. But it's important to think about Tesla's plans for the future, especially its move into the robo-taxi platform, which Tasha thinks could completely change the business model and make Tesla's electric car division more profitable. Because of this change, it makes me wonder if having your own car is still important, especially in cities. Tasha says that this would likely lead to a fleet model, with companies like Hertz having control of these cars. This possible outcome is not too different from how Tesla cars are now working with Hertz. The introduction of robo-taxis could greatly alter the way people get around, especially in cities. As self-driving cars become more common and reliable, especially in densely crowded cities, people may not need to own their own cars as much. People may find that calling a robo-taxi is easier and more cost-effective than having, driving, and parking their own car for commuting, running errands, or traveling. Tesla may choose a fleet method when thinking about how the robo-taxi will work. This is where partnerships with respected rental and fleet management companies, such as Hertz, come in handy. Because Hertz has a lot of experience managing vehicles and renting them out, it could be a good strategic partner for maintaining and setting up a fleet of Tesla robo-taxis. Tesla will benefit in a number of ways from working with a company like Hertz. It has a ready-made fleet system, experience managing a lot of vehicles, and a customer base that is already there. Now that there are self-driving cars, Hertz sees it as a chance to grow their business and stay on the cutting edge of car technology. Based on how autonomous ride-hailing services make money, Tasha Keeney says that the robo-taxi project may be able to make more money than Tesla's electric car division. Because electric vehicles are more efficient and can be used on a bigger scale, and because drivers don't have to pay as much, the robo-taxi service should be able to make more money. The company would stop selling cars to customers and start providing mobility as a service, an area with a lot of room for growth. There are some problems with this big project, though. Tesla will have to get around a lot of problems, including getting the public to accept self-driving cars, addressing safety issues, and getting permission from the government. Furthermore, the competition in the area of self-driving taxis is growing stronger as more companies and cars put big money into it. As we look at these changes, it's important for both Tesla fans and investors to think about the long-term path. There are experts like Wood and Keeney and visionaries like Musk who are leading the way for Tesla. The road ahead looks both interesting and crazy. As we continue to look into the interesting world of Tesla and its stock market story, we now turn our attention to Cathie Wood, who is the CEO of ARK Invest. While other investors have been skeptical about Tesla for a long time, Wood has never lost faith in the company that is leading the way in electric cars. The fact that Tesla is still ARK's biggest investment shows how she feels. But the question still stands, will Cathie Wood's positive view of Tesla last, especially after the company's poor earnings report? Let's look into this interesting situation. Last week, Cathie Wood said she still believed in Tesla, but Elon Musk's downbeat Q3 earnings call changed everything. Musk didn't make any of the big news that people usually expect from these kinds of events. Instead, he focused on the economy and how prices are going up for customers. This quiet news made the market jump, which caused Tesla's stock to drop. The most important question now is whether Cathie Wood's statement about Tesla's growth is still true in light of these events. Wood is still sure that Tesla is on the verge of an unheard of success that will make the company's stock price go through the roof. On her list of things that could help Tesla grow are its plans to break into new areas like energy, robots, and AI. When Tesla made the Optimus, also known as the Tesla bot, it was a big step forward in its robots work. This humanoid robot could totally change the job market and make businesses more productive. Its purpose is to do dangerous or boring work over and over and over again. Tesla has made a lot of progress in AI, especially when it comes to self-driving cars. Tesla is always improving its AI algorithms and collecting data from its fleet of cars. This makes them more efficient and safe. Tesla's AI also improves performance and cuts costs by using it not only in cars but also in industrial processes and energy solutions. Tesla's energy division, which includes solar electricity and battery storage, is likely to grow. Tesla's solar panels, Powerwall storage systems, and solar roof are all important parts of its plan. As the world moves toward renewable energy, this industry stands out as a major contributor to sustainable energy solutions, in addition to making the car industry stronger. In her prediction that market decline is coming soon, Cathie Wood gives a detailed look at the state of the economy. Her research suggests that companies that focus on new ideas, like Tesla, may do well in a deflationary environment. People who spend money on new tools and methods may be able to stay ahead of the competition as old business models fail. Deflation often leads to lower prices for materials and parts, which could be good for Tesla, especially when it comes to making its cars and energy products. When prices drop, people and businesses look for ways to save money and work more efficiently. More people may want to buy Tesla's energy and electric car goods, which are known for working well and saving money in the long run. As companies try to keep making money in a deflationary environment, they may quickly adopt cutting-edge solutions like automation, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy technology in fields where Tesla plays a big role. Wood says that there will soon be a market downturn that will help companies like Tesla come up with new ideas. She thinks that established companies that haven't put as much effort into new ideas and whose products may become out of date during this time of creative destruction may face big problems. Wood's point of view sets Tesla apart from other companies in the same field. Based on her research, Tesla is in a unique situation because it is taking a new approach to innovation. Other companies may have to discount their stocks or lose a lot of money. The company's creative edge will be strengthened even more by the news that deliveries of the 800-volt Cybertruck will soon begin. This new idea lowers the price and weight of the battery pack and increases profits by changing how fast charging works. It shows how creative and smart Tesla is. As we continue to think about these interesting events, one thing is clear: Tesla's journey is not like most people's. With visionary leaders like Musk and passionate fans like Wood, there is still a lot of talk and speculation about whether Tesla will rise as Wood predicts or face problems that no one saw coming. Elon Musk has also shared a strong image that shows how durable the Cybertruck is. Musk shared a video of the Cybertruck's body and windows easily blocking shots from a Tommy gun. Such technical accomplishments not only show how strong the vehicle is, but they could also raise the price of Tesla stock and make the company more appealing and competitive in the truck market. But Tesla has made more inventions than that. By putting the user experience first, Tesla is. Since owners spend most of their time inside their EVs, redesigning the cabins with a more modern and understated look makes sense. This level of care is very important for Tesla as it continues to push the limits of what is possible in the car business.